Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own beef stock full guide. Roast bones at 450 degrees F until deeply browned, then transfer to a large stock pot and cover with cold water. Add roughly chopped mirepoix, a few bay leaves, peppercorns, and a splash of vinegar to extract minerals. Simmer gently for 4 to 8 hours, skimming foam occasionally, then cool and refrigerate before straining and skimming fat. To make a rich stock, choose marrow and knuckle bones for gelatin and add a few meaty bones for flavor. Blanching bones briefly removes impurities, roast for color. Use 1 onion, 2 carrots, 3 celery stalks roughly chopped, and a splash of vinegar to help extract nutrients. Keep water level covering bones by about 2 inches and gently simmer without boiling to preserve clarity and mouthfeel. Avoid oversalting until reduction. Simmer low and slow to develop deep flavor while avoiding cloudiness. Skim foam early, then leave shoulder to gentle simmer for 4 to 8 hours. Check bones for separation of marrow and taste for balance. Add water if too concentrated. Cool stocks quickly in an ice bath to under 40 degrees F before refrigerating, then strain through a fine mesh and store in airtight containers or freeze in portions. Label and date containers before freezing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.